Hey guys, we got this Dr. Brace knee brace with the side stabilizers. So it comes in a small packing and safe. So let's open this. So this is the open design so that I will show you that you can take it to any shape, whatever you want to take. So this one have this manual that how to use a stretch band as an additional thing that you can use for your legs and the knee brace itself. So here you can see and measure the things. This is all good Velcro that will just take up the shape of your things. And also you can see on the sides there is more support. So I just put it on this knee and then on the sides. So it's a anti-slip system with a graded patella gel pads that on on the top of my patella on the knee, and then I'm just putting in this. So I am just not putting it too tight for me, but of course you can tight depend on that. This is a side support with a plastic side support, and then it's very helpful for your knee while running, walking, or doing anything. So you can see it here, the fitting of the Velcro and things, and on the side stuff. So this is a soft material and a little bit stretchy and the breathable. So these are the side things that support your knee more. And then this Velcro is really good quality Velcro, so this will not loosen their hold. So this will hold well and non-skid surface here. So for the design purpose, everything is taken care of. And then see the flexible support here. So nice brace.